Good morning students. Welcome all of you to our online classes of English language standard 5th. Students, yesterday we have solved some questions and I have given you assignment question number E, change these nouns into adjectives. Now I am going to tell you the answers. You have to pay attention carefully. Now students, these are the nouns and we have to form adjective from that. Now students, I am going to tell you answers of question number E, that is change the nouns into adjectives. Okay. Now see the nouns. Here are all the nouns I have written here and you have to form adjectives from that nouns. So storm, stormy. Stone, stony. Enjoy, enjoyment. Full, foolish. Wood, wooden. Now see, noise, noisy. Danger, dangerous. Wool, woolen. Taste, tasty. Gold, golden. So students, like this you have to write down the answers. If you have written the answer, you have to check your answers whether they are right or wrong. If they are wrong, you have to make correction and write the correct answers. Now students, we are going to do question number F. That is also very easy. So what are we waiting for? Let's get started. Now students, see question number F. You have to choose correct adjectives from exercise E. First is, this sweater is made up of wool. स्वेटर किससे बना हुआ है? वूल से बना हुआ है. It is a dash dash sweater. So what we will say here? What we will write here? It is a woolen. It is made up of wool. So the sweater is woolen. It is a woolen sweater. Okay. The path is full of stones. It was a dash dash path. So we will write here stony path. Stony path. Then third one, the queen sat on her throne made of gold. It was a dash dash throne. So what we will write here? Golden. Golden throne. Fourth one, the road was filled with danger. It was dangerous road. So we will write here dangerous. That man is a fool. What a dash dash idea he has. That man is a fool. Okay. So what a foolish idea. Foolish. Foolish idea he has. So like this we have done question number F also. You have to write down the adjectives according to the adjectives from exercise E. So we have written this sweater is made up of wool. It is a woolen sweater. Okay. Second is the path is full of stones. It was a stony path. Then third, the queen sat on her throne made up of gold. It was a golden throne. Fourth one, the road was filled with danger. It was a dangerous road. And fifth one, that man is a fool. What a foolish idea he has. Now students, like this we have completed question number F also. Now we just want to move forward towards question number G. Okay. So let's start. Now students, see question number G. Write synonym and antonym for each adjective. Now first you have to know what is the meaning of synonym. Synonym means similar words. The words are having similar meaning. Okay. We call it synonym. And antonym means Antonym means the opposite words. Okay. Now see, one example is given here, a cruel man. First is the cruel man. So synonym for cruel man is hard hearted. हार्ड हार्टेड मतलब जिसका दिल बहुत सख्त होता है उसको हम बोलते हैं हार्ड हार्टेड, और उसी को हम बोलते हैं इंग्लिश में क्रूएल मैन। तो उसके लिए एंटोनिम है काइंड हार्टेड। तो हार्ड हार्टेड के अपोजिट है काइंड हार्टेड। ओके, सो यू हैव टू राइट हियर द अपोजिट वर्ड। First you have to write down synonym. Synonym means similar word. And second you have to write down the opposite word. So costly suit. So what is the word for costly? Costly के लिए similar word क्या है? Expensive. So we have to write here expensive. And antonym for expensive, that is cheap. What is the word? Cheap. Okay. Then a proud ruler. Proud ruler. Third one. So see the next one, that is proud ruler. Proud ruler. So synonym for that is gratified. Okay. And antonym for that is ashamed. Okay. Now see the fourth one, a cunning fox. So what is the word for cunning? Crafty. You can use the word here crafty. C-R-A-F-T-Y. Crafty. And antonym for that honest. Okay. So next is let's move forward the next one. Okay. Now students see next one is cultured person. Cultured मतलब सुसंस्कृत व्यक्ति. Okay. So उसके लिए synonym है sophisticated. Sophisticated. And antonym है उसके लिए unsophisticated. Okay. So a desolate place. Desolate place means जहाँ पर ऐसी जगह जहाँ पर कोई भी आता जाता नहीं है, यहाँ वहाँ पर किसी भी प्रकार की वनस्पति नहीं है। ओके, किसी भी प्रकार की ग्रीनरी नहीं है, तो उसको हम बोलते हैं डेजोलेट प्लेस। तो उसके लिए है सिमिलर वर्ड बैरन। क्या वर्ड है उसके लिए? बैरन। बैरन मतलब जहाँ पर कोई आता जाता नहीं है या तो कोई भी खेती वहां पर उगती नहीं है, उसको बोलते हैं बैरन। तो उसके लिए एंटोनिम है फर्टाइल। ओके, नाउ सी एन इलास्टिक बैंड। इलास्टिक मतलब जो बहुत ही इजीली हम स्ट्रेच कर सकते हैं, तो उसको हम बोलते हैं स्ट्रेचेबल। STRECHABLE, स्ट्रेचेबल। ओके, या तो फिर इसको हम दूसरा वर्ड यूज कर सकते हैं, फ्लेक्सिबल भी यूज कर सकते हैं। ओके, यू कैन ऑल्सो राइट फ्लेक्सिबल, स्ट्रेचेबल और फ्लेक्सिबल। सो व्हाट इज द अपोजिट ऑफ दिस वर्ड स्ट्रेचेबल और फ्लेक्सिबल? रिजिड। ओके, जिसमें कोई भी असर नहीं होता है उसको हम बोलते हैं रिजिड। एंड एल्डरली कपल। एल्डरली कपल को हम बोलते हैं एजेड, और एजेड भी बोल सकते हैं, या तो फिर हम बोल सकते हैं उसको वर्नरेबल। वर्नरेबल। ओके, वर्नरेबल। So elderly couple, aged or vulnerable, these are the similar words for elderly couple. So we have to write down the opposite. Obviously you will write here young. Okay, so these are the words that are, we have seen adjectives, we have seen synonyms of that adjectives, and we have seen antonyms of that adjectives. Okay, so I hope this is clear to you, students. I would like to stop here. The remaining part we will continue in our next period, as we have completed half of the portion. We have completed our syllabus of first unit test, and now we are moving forward towards the first term syllabus. Okay, so already we have completed the our first unit test syllabus, so we will go slowly because now we have completed already much of the syllabus, and now we are moving towards the first term syllabus. So I would like to go slowly. Only two questions we will do in one period. Okay, so I would like to stop here. I hope each and everything that I have explained to you, you have understood it very well. Okay, so I would like to stop here, but as usual, don't stop your learning. You have to keep on learning, keep on giving revision. Okay, and you have to take care of yourself. I would like to take your leave. Bye for now. Bye, students.